I like the country essay.
Hey, Kool-Aid, put that little jalapeno back in your pants, S.W.C.
Hey, homie, I was just marking a new territory.
That's right. We're the new landlords.
Sick with it.
We're finished.
Check it out, Spider. It's that punk from the alley.
You come my car now! I'm here to jack you up, puto!
You wanna throw down, puto? Come and get some. Got it, motherfucker!
And fuck you! You want another placazo badass? Come and get it, motherfucker! Chinga tu madre! I'm gonna cut your fucking eye out, bro! And kill you! Fuck these other vatos!
Fire comes the rain, after the blizzard is pain. You know we broke for the moment, ball in the game. Tell them again, my military, be prepared for the bust. Similar to just as scary, get you near me. We rushing visions to overpack prisons. Millions and studs living precious. The strikes, I hope they don't test us. Ebola, ammunition and crates. Without a sound as we slide down, pistols in place. I'm sensing this defenses, I'm hitting fences to getting ghosts. Who could prevent me shooting senses? At these, I'm sensing this defenses, I'm hitting fences to getting ghosts. Who could prevent me shooting senses? At these throats, you in that bullshit you going through. We outlaws, rushing you, busting you, untouchable, sick, unready, crew, untouchable, click, untouchable, boom.
Now I'ma be there to blow like you. Got plans to take over Japan like a D4. And like told me at the top, it's hella lonely. I rock like what the fuck? You don't know me. I keep going, I keep growing, I keep flowing, I keep showing DJs how to raise the bar. I'm still
Bring the party to life.
I'm still sick with it. Crew, because we came so far, 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 came so far.
It's the infamous
With it, crew.
You know I do my thing. I'ma get my drink on and party like it's okay. Trust me, man, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Niggas be pissing on theyself when the real niggas drop. While they rolling in they shit, hitting corners on the block. Niggas fresh out the pen with 2 strikes. Be bumping this real shit every fucking night. It's alright, niggas. It's too hard, motherfuckers on the streets. It's the nigga MC Red and the nigga Easy.
Does it? You wish the fuck that you could do it? Got a 9mm. Don't make me have to shoot it. Who gives a fuck about the police? Cause I'm the main motherfuckers that break the peace. Now let me know, how the fuck do you feel? Getting hit with the motherfucking real. The motherfucking real.
Going out to the hardcore hip hop.
The motherfucking real.
Fucking these niggas till they drop.
Sick with it, crew. Please tell me what's a nigga to do. And it's true, ain't nothing new, so I do what I do to get through. Now first they had me shopping, now I'm pissed. I'm on an AK-47 laying on my head, so I don't trip. One motherfucker from the underground. The big shots bucking niggas if they fuck around. Hey yo, why y'all got beef with police? Ain't that a bitch? The motherfuckers got beef with me. They make it hard for me to sleep. I wake up at the slightest peep, and my sheets are 3 feet deep. I guess it's time for you to see, but now I point the finger at police instead of motherfuckers blaming me. I got the right to bear pistol, and when the punk motherfuckers get the trippin', I got shit too. And maybe then you see the truth. Hell yeah. But until then, I gotta do what I do and stay a crooked nigga. 2 niggas rock the revolution, fuck the Constitution. I want my bucks from restitution. This time you got a bigger problem. I'm the fact that niggas sometimes sit you all in Brooklyn and Harlem, and we ain't shooting at each other. That's a motherfucking brother. So Dave Duke, run for cover, and other bitches from the clan. The real the wrath of a black man that doesn't smoke crack can. I don't think say I. Genuine drive ganja. And my fucking Tech 9. They know they're scared to see us sober. I'm thinking King Cobra. It's all up to you. Play the Korean, blame the Jew. Why me? Play like Desmond Guy and try me. I'll be damned if I die. Come look at the rage in my eyes. See, they got my homie in the jail cell. And it's the rebel and the devil. And one of us is going to hell. I got the whole place covered with locked out brothers. Solid. So motherfucker, make a motion. I give a fuck. Slice you up and throw your ass in the ocean. Temperatures drop. See, it's cool to shoot a nigga, but they hate it when we pop the cops. That's when they eat petrol. You better watch the